Nashville. I got up about 2:30. Brushed my teeth, washed my face, put my clothes on, and I was out the door about 3:05. Got on the road about 3:20. I've already passed to Memphis. I have under 3 hours to go to get to Nashville. I'm gonna go down here. I got 2 interiors to do. The full ticket is gonna be $540 something. I'm gonna see if I can get down here and do these 2 details, possibly pick up another detail, and come back home. I'm gonna see if I can do it. I just got pulled over. I should have got some footage, but I was trying my best to get out that ticket. I used to be a cop. And what are the odds of me getting pulled over in Tennessee and the cop is originally from Meridian, Mississippi? And he said, hey, he told me he was from Meridian and he wasn't gonna write me a ticket anyway. I was doing about 90 in a 70. I saw him. As soon as I saw the car sitting over there, I said, damn. I looked down and I saw I was going 90. So I, of course, he already got me. I know he got me. So I'm just sitting there looking and I saw his brake light come on. I said, dang. He turned around, he came, I saw the lights, so I pulled over. I went on and just pulled over because I knew he was coming for me. So he pulls, he comes out, I give him my driver's license. He goes back, he comes back real quick. When they come back real quick, that means they ran everything, and they ran your license, they ran all your stuff, you have no warrants, you have nothing. They didn't write you a ticket, so I'm like, woo! So, he says, yeah, he's from Meridian. He asked me, how's Jackson? I said, Jackson, all right. I said, Jackson's Jackson. And he was like, yeah, I was on the task force in Jackson. I said, okay. I said, yeah, I was a narcotics officer in Jackson. He said, oh, really? He started naming people. I said, yeah, we started naming people. He's giving me, abbreviations of their name, and I'm giving them their full name. And he's like, yeah. And so I got lucky, man. But when y'all traveling out of state, when y'all detailing, y'all on the highway, man, slow down. Especially in Virginia, Tennessee, they will pull you over and write you tickets, man. They will. I mean, they are out. This is the 3rd cop I've seen. This is the second highway patrol I've seen since I've been pulled over. They are out. I'm gonna slow down. Because if I get a ticket, oh man, I won't make no money, man. You get a ticket to highway patrol, you're gonna pay in excess of $200 or more. Look at that. Man, they write tickets today. Look at that. Going up. Man, Tennessee State Troopers ain't playing this morning.
Hey, now, before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link is in the description and in the comment section.
Y'all, I made it. Just arrived here. Had a chance to look at one of the vehicles. One thing about getting pulled over out of state is go ahead and turn your Google Maps on. Make sure you have a car charger, because your Google Maps will drain your battery. So pretty much everybody has a car charger, a cell phone charger for your car. Make sure you keep it plugged in, and even if you know where you're going, keep it on, because the Google Maps has a feature where it lets you know if there's a speed trap ahead. But it's kind of cold, and it's a little windy, but not real windy. As the day moves along, it'll warm up. It'll be a little more comfortable. Right here, when I stand in the sun, it's not as cold. Y'all already know how I go. But here's what I'm dealing with. They got everything out the way. They had a child to throw up. They cleaned most of it up, but it's not too bad. I guess they want to make sure they get it all up so it won't leave a smell behind. It's It's not bad at all to me. But both of these jobs combined is $541. I should be getting another one today. So hopefully I can have like a $700 day. And I won't feel so bad of spending $200 in gas. Here's the second vehicle. Not bad at all. Every time I come to Nashville, I do a Honda Fit. Y'all notice that? Not bad at all. Not to me, at least. Easy work. Easy work. Interiors only. Oh, I got a little bit of pet hair. I mean, they cleaned everything out. You know what that means? They leave all that over. They want everything clean. All right, y'all, all done. This is the one that the child threw up in. And actually the other vehicle is dirtier than this one. I assume that the wife drives this one, more of a baby hauler. And when the child threw up and they felt they couldn't get it all out in between the seats, because that's what it was, they couldn't reach in between the seats. So they just decided just to get both of them done. I'm assuming. It don't take much. A little bit of steam, Dawn soap, some brushes, water, a little chemical, APC, whatever you like to use. It ain't hard to get this stuff done. You don't need all this high-end equipment. You don't need a lot of stuff to get these stuff done, man. You know, when you got your first car, you got your car clean. You didn't have an extractor, you didn't have a foam cannon, you didn't have a pressure washer, you didn't have none of this stuff, and you got those cars clean. Now that stuff does make it easier, does make it cleaner, it does. But for you guys that are starting out, you don't need a whole lot. Doesn't take much to get this thing going. All right, y'all, just did a quick vacuum. I don't know, I just started doing that probably like 2-3 weeks ago. You know, like a little quick vacuum. I don't think it makes you any faster. All it does for me is just allows me to see everything better. Kind of boosts my confidence to make me feel like, okay, it's not as bad as it looks. Right now I'm all done. I can't talk outside the van. I'm still here, I'm done, but I can't talk outside the van because the guy next door is playing music and I don't want to get a copyright strike and then it demonetize my video. But anyway, I'm all done. I'm gonna drive back home. Right now it's almost 3 o'clock, so if I leave now, I'll be at home at 9 p.m. I've never done this before. Usually when I come to Nashville, I'll get up early in the morning. I'll get up the day of my appointment. So let's say if my appointment is at 9 o'clock. I'll get up like 2 in the morning, get on the road by 3. I'll be here by the time my appointment starts. And then I'll stay. I'll try to get another job or whatever, and I'll stick around or whatever and see if something else will come through. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm gonna go ahead and get on this road and get home, man. Appreciate you guys for watching, commenting, and subscribing. My number's been up the last couple of months. For all you guys that have joined the new wave, I appreciate you guys. Y'all posting and y'all keeping that new wave alive, and I appreciate that. The new wave Facebook group is jumping. I mean, dozens and dozens of posts every day. I appreciate you guys. You guys are answering questions and helping people and motivating people. It's not just me, it's people on there motivating people to keep pushing forward. And I appreciate you guys.